Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the captions into your video on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome and we have to create an account on Adobe Express. So as you can see, I have already did these things. So simply after opening this, we need to go to the document section. And after going to the document section, as you can see, has the option for the view all. So we have to click on the view all. So as you can see, after clicking on the view all, you will be able to see a lot of functions here. Now simply we have to choose the option which is called caption video. So you have to choose this. And after choosing this, we need to click on the caption video. So as you can see, these all things are open, and after these things we need to go to the caption video. So we have to click on the caption video, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now we have to upload the video that on which video we want the caption. So as you can see, after clicking on this, we have to click on the browse, and after clicking on the browse, we need to select that video, that on which video we want the caption. So I'm going to select that file. So for example, I'm going to the desktop section and desktop data, and now I'm going to select that. For example, I'm going to select this one. Now for example, we have to select that file, that on which file we want. I'm going to the freelancing section and this one, and now I'm going to select this one, and simply let's click on the open. And after clicking on the open, it will take few seconds or few minutes in uploading your video. It's up to your internet speed. So as you can see, the video is uploading. It will take few seconds or few minutes in uploading your video, and after the completion of video, you will get the download button, and you have to click on the download button, and your video will have a caption. And if you want to open in editor, you can also do that. After opening in editor, you will be able to edit the video and do multiple functions as well. So as you can see, the video is uploaded. Now it will take few seconds in analyzing your video. As you can see, the 42% is done. So as you can see, the video is uploaded. Now the captions are also added. If you want to check out the preview, you can also do that. So let's see how does it works. So as you can see, these are the captions. If you want to change it like the basic, you can also click on the basic and these will be applied. As you can see, the multiple functions and the multiple styles of the captions are provided here. As you can see, now let's play this and see how does it work. As you can see, in this way, if you want to change, these also provided here. So if you want to download this, you have to click on the download, or if you want to open this, open in editor, you have to click on the open editor, and it will be open into editor. And if you want to do multiple functions and multiple editings, you can do that there. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add the captions on your video in Adobe Express. So see you guys in the next video.